this is the first time we've been able to get out together, me and Ma, because of the pass situation. Hello. But we don't have to have a pass anymore.
Yeah, but we need
everybody
social
can.
distancing and then masks.
Yeah, social distancing and masks. So that's the only change to the lockdown, really, because curfew's still there.
Yeah, 9 p.m. until 4 a.m.
Yeah.
And as usual, the kids and then the senior citizen and then pregnant, they're not allowed to go outside again.
Yeah, they were for the first few days, and then they
Yeah,
changed
they
it again to where they can't. They've got to stay in.
Why?
Well, let's not get on the subject because I've got loads of moans and groans about it.
Yeah.
No, I'm not just talking about the Philippines. I'm on about everywhere.
And to Desmond again. Also, thank you. As
Desmond,
usual.
yeah, thank you very, very much as usual.
We can do a video. Do you remember that I said to you there's a new like a lodge?
The lodging house, yeah.
Did you take a video there?
What about?
You can go there. Let's show.
Yeah, if you want. Why do you look like a pixie? Well, we're supposed to be going into Centro to get some money because we've run out of money. Well, no, I'll not discuss that, but we've run out of money, so we're going to go into town and see how it is, and I want to know if they've opened up Centro, if they've opened up Plaza. Sorry, not
close.
It's still closed. Well, I was wrong there because I felt sure when they were letting people come out without passes and it was really busy, I thought they'd opened it up. But I guess they're keeping it closed down so people do the social distancing thing. Oh my God, it's so hot, the sweat is just dripping off me. So let's hope I don't end up ill again, because the last time I went out on my own I was ill for the next 5
Because you
days.
did not bring umbrella because it's very hot.
Yeah, well, you know how stubborn I am, because every summer so far I've never used a brolly and I've been alright. Oh, that's great, man. See, she's very dangerous with this umbrella. She's either poking me in the head or the eye. So what
It's my purpose.
is it? Oh right, it's your purpose, is it, in life?
The cooking pulutan. Oh, there's a chicken.
Oh. Oh, my favorite chicken.
Yes.
Libre? Libre? No, sorry, joke lang.
Yung pulutan.
Oh, English. Teka mo tatawa English. Ako tama video. Interview me.
Yeah.
Tama.
So will there be drinking later? Drinking? No?
No. It's a feeding program.
It's a feeding.
Oh, it's for the kids.
No, for the old. Saan ka pa Vic?
5.
Saan 5?
Soon 5.
Abelya? Saka maluto. Saka chicken. Yun lang.
Ako spaghetti. Tapos yun. Nas ka lang yan eh. Ayaw na agang asukar si ano?
I asked him if it's rice and chicken and he said no, it's spaghetti and chicken.
No, that's all right. All right. Thanks.
Abelya. Chicken feeding.
So this is what... Oh, are you on about this one or that one? All right, I thought you were on about this one.
These are like apartments.
This is just apartments and they're building another floor, so there's 3 floors altogether. They've been on it a while. It looks pretty nice as well, doesn't it? That... No, it's another I think it's just another 2 apartments, is it? Or is it? I don't know. I don't know. Right, getting on top.
Them, the one they cooking, if they have a group like a fraternity association, then that's why they have cooking.
That's nice of them, though. It's nothing to do with the barangay, is
They
it?
sponsor,
No.
They sponsor. That's what they always doing. They feeding the kids
Oh,
here.
bless. That's really nice.
Yeah.
So I've shown you this on the street before, guys. These 2 places here. How nice they are. And it's a bit strange to me personally why somebody would spend the kind of money they're spending on here, on this particular street. Not so much that, because they're apartments, so they'll be renting them out, but this is a house. This is a private house here. Look how nice it is. Really
But
nice.
it looks like there's no around there.
Nobody, yeah, you don't see anybody
quiet.
going in and out, do you, I guess? It's very nice. I like it.
This one, Brit Inn, open 24 hours.
Brit Inn. So it's a lodging house.
Yeah, it's just lodging house.
Now look at the workmanship on this though, guys. It's not very good.
On the side.
It's not been finished off. If that was my building, I would be very upset. Yeah, I mean, look at the painting.
Wi-Fi free zone.
Huh?
Wi-Fi free zone.
Wi-Fi prison, what's that mean?
Free zone.
Yeah. See, if we ever get the land in Suruma, when we build our little bungalow, mind you, probably not be that little, it's going to be done to a high standard. That would not be acceptable to me. What I'm thinking of doing is getting a contractor to build the wall and the foundations and get all the permits and stuff and connect the utilities, and then once he's done that, that's his job finished, and just get locals to finish off. Or maybe there's somebody out there that's a builder or electricians or plumbers would like to come over for a holiday. Do you think, Mel? Eh?
Yeah.
I've seen it on YouTube before. There's been loads of places
Stay
built.
with us, feel at home, low rates.
Brilliant. Yeah, you can get this end as well, can you?
Oh, they have extension pan here.
Oh, very good. You see what I mean? That
This is the entrance, and that one is exit.
that is not up to my standard. You see what I've done where we live now, it's not my place, and you can't justify spending stupid amounts of money on it. But when it's our place, then it'll either have to be done right or not done at all. And especially where it's going to be in Suruma on the resort, because the land is actually on Angelica Paradise Beach and Resort, isn't it, babe?
Yeah.
So it'll have to be good quality build, so it fits in with the rest of the resort. I'm just hoping that Rena will give us a copy of the plans that's used for her bungalow, so we can build an identical one with a little bit of difference. We'll probably put a carport on there for when we get a car, because if you're in somewhere like Suruma, you've got to have a car. If you live like where we are here, you don't need a car. You'll never use it.
We need in center. You can walk.
Yeah, you'll never use it. It's a waste of time.
We can use it if, like, for example, we're gonna go somewhere.
Yeah, but you don't go somewhere every week, do you? That's the problem, and it's just sat there getting damaged. Can you remember the van? Every morning we come out, there was more damage on it.
Yeah, because you don't have a parking lot properly.
Well, yeah, but even if we didn't in Saruma, it wouldn't get damaged because of where it is, even without a wall. But when we come back to Naga, say we've got a nice 4x4 or a little minibus, we've got nowhere to park it, have we? This is all dreaming, guys. This is we get the land sorted, and you know, we save the money to have the first part of it done, which God knows how long that'll take us. But that's our plans now. We've changed it. Mel's decided she wants to build in Saruma next to the beach, so that's what we're going to do. We'll probably stay there during the week, and then on the weekends come back, unless there's something going off. I mean, you never know, the Rena and family might want us to help with the resort in some way, because if we get to where we're living there, then there's going to be loads of foreigners come to the resort.
Yeah.
I've no doubt about that. Taking videos of it and stuff, I know our subscriber base will start to go up. I'm pretty sure of that. So hopefully if the subscriber base goes up, the YouTube income goes up. So it's not as busy as I thought it was going to be. The fruit's still quite cheap. I thought they'd hike the fruit up. The guy who I buy my eggs off, he's there again. Go, babe.
Gonna go.
Yeah. We've just got to go and pick some money up at Palawan. It is burning hot. I mean, it is quite busy, don't get me wrong, but I thought it would have been busier. Look at how they peel all the carrots and cut it and wash it and all different stuff. So you can get your fresh salads here. So I got asked, well, I've been asked sometimes, not many times, but sometimes I get asked about who I use to transfer me money.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight.